Hi, in front of me is TCL 20L, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll all the way down. Now you need to select System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Over here go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select the photo that you want to apply as your keyboard's background by tapping on it. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!